Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So before I start the tutorial, I want to say thank you so much for all your support because you keep this channel going, and with your support I want to continue with Daniel Pintado Game Development Studio to help small developers to create their game in the easiest and cheapest way possible, helping to provide you with asset, animation, blueprint, and also my personal help absolutely for free. Also how to get grants from, for example, Epic and Kickstarter, or even how to publish your game in different platforms like Steam, Epic, etc. And you will not have to give me credit, commission, or anything. So there will be some guidelines to follow for the order or the project to help. You only have to enter to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, and in the upper right corner and click in the link, or in the description of this video you will have the link. At the end of this page you will have question and answer already answered by me about the YouTube channel and the project, and I will be updating this page with new and content, so stay tuned. So if you want to help me with this project, you only have to enter in my Ko-fi page and donate the amount you want, or you can be a member for exclusive content and support. You can also hire me as a freelancer to advance more faster, or if you want, I can create a complete game for you. I will be updating this membership with new exclusive content and more stuff. And if you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. So if you need help in your project, or maybe you need help in the tutorial, or the tutorial is not working for you, or you have a request video or something, you can talk with me in the Discord. So thank you for watching, and let's start the tutorial. Okay, so I am here with another tutorial. So today we want to do a few things. One of the things we want is when they hit the player, we want to play an animation. So when they hit the object, they want to play the animation of hit. Also, when they hit the object, we want to reduce the speed, so they don't go always faster and faster. So you can simulate like they real hit the object. Also, when the health go to 0, we want to the player die. So let's do that. So let's do the first thing. Let's reduce the speed, because right now if you go play, if we hit everything, they don't reduce nothing. I can go faster and faster. That's not really realistic. So let's do that. So let's go to end runner, go to blueprints, go to object, and let's go to main object. So they're gonna be in all the objects. So let's go on the main one. In here only have 2Ds, so they're really easy. So in the act to begin overlap, we want to, from here, from the dpKT blueprint, we want to get character movement. So it's always the last one. So that here, and from here we want to set, so get max walk speed, and we want to reduce because it's a hit. So let's put like this. So if we want to reduce something big, let's say something 100, because remember we start with 500. So if you don't put something like 100 or more, you don't even notice. So from here, let's go to set max walk speed. So that way they want to save the value from the new value from here. Okay, so the best way to test it is to see it in the tick node. So let's go to tick, used for testing purposes. So from here, let's go print string. We want to the duration all the time, and we want to know what the max walk speed is. So let's go power and save. Let's go play, and you can see right away we have 500. They go up to 600. If I hit, they go back to 500. I hit, back to 500. So you have 600. If I hit again, they go back to 500 something. 600. Let's go to 7, so you can see it's working more and beyond 700. So if I hit, you see they're gonna have 1 less, 100 less. So they're gonna be always reduce the speed like this. So I can hit 2, so they're gonna reduce 100. So this is working really good. So that's fine. So let's delete this. So now let us do the player, when they get the health to 0, they're gonna die. So we want to do it from here also. So add to begin overlap, we go all the way down to the maximum speed with you. So from here, let's create a new this one. So I have too many lines for everywhere. So here, let's get health, I think they call it, yes. So get health if the health is less or equal to 0, because maybe it's gonna be less than 0. We want to do a branch, a question, and if it's true, we want to get the mesh. So let's put this in here. So let's get mesh, no, that one. So mesh, get mesh, but before we want to stop the player. So let's go here, let's get character movement. So always the last one. You wanna set movement mode to none. You can call another function, they call it stop movement immediately, but sometimes this is not working. So I don't know why sometimes they don't want to work, but this one always working, so that's perfect. So let's go here, none. So after that one, we want to call the mesh. I have my mouse here. Okay, so the mesh, we want to what do you call it, simulate physics. We want to say true because we want to, and also we want to set collision enable, and we want to call, let's read up this, want to call collision enable query and physics. If for whatever reason the character go through the floor, you can change this to maybe physics only or maybe query only. That depends sometimes, but normally is the one collision enable query and physics. Okay, so let's compile and save and let's test it. So let's go play. So now if I hit here, they're gonna less speed. I missed. So I hit here, one more, I'm supposed to die. So one more, I'm dying. So let's go. So now it's dying. So you can see it's working really good. So now we're gonna need the animation for hit the player. Okay, so let's do the hit animation. So we're gonna need animation. So I download this one from Examo. So I'm gonna be added this in the project file. Also, if you download it from the coffee, I believe I download from the Mixamo. If not, I created myself. So there's no really big deal. It's just a hit so they can move the body back. It's nothing fancy. It's just to notice we can hit something. So we're only gonna need to use the half of the body. We don't want to make this animation from the bottom for the legs, because we want to still be able to run in when we are hit. So I think we're gonna need a montage. So let's create any montage. I'm gonna leave it like that. We can save everything. Also, we need to check what default is what slot is. So it's the default slot, that's fine. So let's close this. We're gonna find the animation for this animation blueprint. So it's gonna be endless runner, go to character, go to DB and in blueprint. So let's open here, and I think I create this before, but I believe you supposed to have it like something like this, if I believe correctly. So they're gonna be something like this, so you can see how to build it from scratch. So gonna be like that. So let's save this. Oops, let's save the main one. So from here, wow, okay, so from here let's call save pose, and we want to call this the same like the other one. Main state is final. Well, it's state, it's gonna be fine. So like that, we're gonna need two. So let's call it main state. Sorry for the cough again. So main state, let's copy and paste, so we have two. So let's connect this with this, so we can have the upper body from the default slot and the left bottom body from the normal animations. So we're gonna need a blend this. So let's go here, let's go blend. So we're gonna be called layered blend bar bone. Sorry for my English, sometimes it's really poor my English, but I hope you can understand and follow the tutorial without too many problems. Whatever things, you can call me, you can talk with me from the Discord on the comment on YouTube. So let's go to default slot, go to blend pose, let's connect everything together, and from here let's find a layer setup. Let's open it, let's go index, brand files, filters, let's add new one. I want to call this, I want to use something more like the half, so let's put something like spine 02. I think it's a good number. If you go to the skeleton, we can see the spine 2 is really right here, so I think it's fine enough. So let's close that one. Let's go to blend deep, how much? So let's set 4. You can play with this number. This number is how much blending to one side to the other one. So I believe, if I'm not wrong, if you go more up, there's gonna be more of this blend in the bottom. If you go more less, they're gonna be more in the top one, in this one. If it's not, it's the opposite way, but they're supposed to be that way. So 4, they're gonna be something between. So I think it's more than enough. Also, we're gonna need the rotation because we want to blend the rotation, but we don't need this mesh scale because this character never gonna be scaled. So they're gonna be fine. So let's compound, save, and let's test it. So let's go to main object, and here, after when they hit the player in here, we want to play the montage. So from here, there's gonna be a sequence. So we want to do this first. Check this, it's more faster. And also we want to play a montage. So let's play montage. So they're asking what montage it is. It's the hit montage. And also we want to be from the character blueprint, get mesh. So from the mesh, we want to connect it from here. Really cool. And that's it. So let's go pound save, let's go play. So now if we hit, you can see they play the animation. So now the only thing we need to do is when they die, fix the bug I found. So if I die, you can see I can still move the camera, I think like that. So let's do that. So we want to add it in here. I think I leave it. So in here they're gonna be after this, because if I don't make me wrong, so this stuff, because I created this before, so they're gonna be in here. So you're gonna have something like this. Oops, like this. So you want to stop the camera movement after all the stuff. So you're gonna need a little delay. So that's why I disconnected from here, put in here, you put a delay in between. Something don't really delay. Oh my god, the delay. So something not too big. If I say 1, it's more than enough. So it's gonna be like that. And also we want to kill the player, so we need to boolean, so we know if the player is dead or not. So let's go to the main character. We don't need this anymore. So the main character is gonna be this one. So go to in the variable, we can duplicate this one because we only need boolean. So in here, let's call it dead. It's more than enough. So let's compound save, and we want to, when they dead, we don't want to do nothing, everything. So we have everything in the event tick. So go in here, E and B, before they start everything, let's go get dead. Let's do a branch. Let's connect these together. So if it's not dead, we want to do everything. If it is dead, we don't want to be able to do nothing at all. So let's compound save. So we can close this. So in here, we only want to play this montage if the player is not dead, of course. So from here, we want to call a branch. So if it's not dead, we want to call this. So the condition coming from the character, so we can use this one. So from here, let's get dead and connect this to this one. So if it's dead, they don't play it. If it's not dead, they play the montex. Also, when the health of the players go below to 0 or 0, we want to set this. No, it's better to set it after everything. So that means they work everything working. So after 1 second, we want to set dead of the player connected right here. So now, oops. So now let's compound save, close this one, go to play. So now if I'm dead, we can fix all the problem we have already. So only one more hit. So we can follow the camera. Also the player died. I can no longer move the camera and nothing. So that's it. So that's gonna be the end of the video. In the next video, we want to add a few more things we needed. Probably added the sounds, anything like that, and also maybe to change the level after we meet some kind of points, or maybe the distance. I have to figure out maybe what is better or doing both. So that's gonna be it for the video. So if you want to support me, you can go to my Ko-fi page. If you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. Also, if you support me in the Ko-fi and you subscribe to my Ko-fi, you're gonna have exclusive stuff. For example, exclusive videos. Also the tutorial, so to see the tutorial before it's published, and also the project file from this tutorial. So like I said, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next tutorial. So bye bye.